All right, so as you can see in the front, this one is busting open, but I just got way too much stuff in there. Usually I don't have all this stuff in there, but I just threw some more in there just because. But usually it's flush closed and the Velcro is connected with the top of the lid and it looks great. But you don't have to even use the lid if you don't want to. It's removable. In the front, as you can see, you have 4 slots that you can put things in. In the far right side, I have some gloves. You never know, you might need them bad boys. Some of the chemicals you use on your vehicles may not be friendly for your skin. And to be honest, the times we're in right now, you might need those to pump gas, buddy. Over to the far left, I have a tire pressure gauge. Nothing too spectacular. Digital. Keep that in there just in case you want to grab it quickly. You don't want to have to reach in there and look for it. I have nothing in the middle right there, and then I have some washers right here for my water hose and the spray nozzle. So just in case, because if you lose those, you're gonna have some leaks. But that's besides the point. If you lift it up right here, you'll see that it opens up, and this is also removable. So all you have to do is just pull this right here. And then once you pull that, you'll see it comes completely off. Nice Velcro on both sides. So if you don't want to use a lid, you don't have to use it. It's up to you, your personal preference. I'm going to use it. As you can see, we have a lot of room in here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles right there. Probably could squeeze one more right there. I'm getting a little carried away. It also has a divider right here. So if you want to, you can disconnect this divider with some Velcro on each side, and then this will be one square. That'll be one square. And then this right here is another divider. You don't even have to use this if you don't want to in the middle. You can take this divider out, and it can just be one complete section. And another thing I like about this, you can collapse it down. So if you want to, you can empty all this out on one side, collapse it down, and then you'll have just one square. And then you can have it at the top. It'll just buckle with the Velcros up here. So once you connect it, it just buckle up, depending on which side you want to connect. Okay, now one downside to this case I do not like too much is this. So if you lean it back, there's Velcro down there. So Velcro on each side. Now this might be a plus, this might be a negative to you. This is going to allow it to not slide when it's in your trunk. So it won't slide around, but as heavy as you can load this thing up, I don't think you're going to have to worry about sliding around unless you just out here Need for Speed, drag racing, drifting, doing all sorts of crazy stuff. You ain't got to worry about this moving, I don't believe. But with that being said, this Velcro is not friendly. Do not set this on your vehicle and slide it off. Like, I know that's not a con for some. You may not ever do that. But if you're just using this by yourself and you got it maxed out, loaded up real heavy, and then you're sitting there like, okay, how do I get the trunk open? How do I do this? How do I do that? You might have to lean something on something. Just be mindful that you do not want to mess up your car's paint and scratch it up, because at that point, you can't be mad at nobody but yourself, because it's not their fault. They put the Velcro under there. Now, what I wish they would have done, I wish they would have gave you something to put on that track just in case you didn't want to use the Velcro. So it'll make it to where it just slides where you want it. Because in my particular use case, I'm not too fond of it being stuck. I might want to slide it around somewhere. So I may go ahead and just order some Velcro around that same length and width, so I can just use that, and then I can slide it around, so at least it'll connect to the soft part of the Velcro I get, and it won't have to be just straight the rough part that grabs hold to everything. So that's why we're on the desk right now, not on the carpet, because I don't want to be tugging and sliding and moving this on the carpet in case it does stick to the carpet. It may not, but I'm not trying to test that out. Okay, and on the side, each handle is aluminum, so it shouldn't, bend or do nothing like that on you. Also, you get this right here. You get this pouch. Now, this pouch is not very deep at all, so you might be able to keep a couple microfiber towels in there or something like that. So I put them in a Ziploc bag or anything like that so they can stay to themselves. And if you want to, if it'll fit, you can put them in there, close that up. And as far as what you can fit in here, so as you can see, I got a lot of stuff packed in here. I got some cleaner in there. I got some tire foam. I got some Clorox wipes in there. I got the soap. I got some different bags right here. Some of these bags, I just need to get rid of them, but you never know, you might need a little trash bag to throw some stuff in. So in here, we got another tire gauge, you know, probably put that in the front. We got another tire gauge. We got some more microfibers. So like, you never can go wrong with microfibers, some cheap ones. Here we got these indestructible, these ain't indestructible. I wouldn't use this on like paint because it's like rough, but like hard to get spots like on your wheel or something like that tire. You can use this, or something that's greasy that's you don't want to use your microfibers on, you can use this. Shout out to the plug, you already know the deal. But you put these onto your power drill, and then you can use them for like your carpet if you got a stain, your seats. You're going to be careful because this is no joke. It feels about like a brand new, you know, toilet bowl cleaner does, so that'll give you a gauge of how hard and firm this is. You can maybe use this on your wheels if you don't have any chrome or any type of wheels that, you know, can be scratched and look all messed up. So there's that. And then I keep the Ziploc on me. It don't matter what brand it is. Slaughter, Ziploc, don't matter. I don't care. But I'm keeping some of these in here just in case I want to, you know, get a little bit more organized with certain things. Maybe put the water hose heads in there for when they're a little damp, so they don't have to just be all over the place. And then over here on the far left, I have the flex hose, the flexi hose. This bad boy is magic. I'm gonna just let you know right now. Where the heck is this? All right, this is magic. First of all, it looks like this when you first pull it out. But then once the water is in there and you lock it off, it grows. What? So I was mad because it wasn't even reaching where I thought it was going to reach. And this is 75 feet. So I was really mad. I was like, why is it not the length I paid for? It literally grew when I locked it. I didn't even know. Went back in the crib, come out with what I had to grab. It was the full 75 feet. So that's awesome. And then you got some nice, strong metal ends, you know. And then you got the locking piece right here. So you can lock the water off, as you can see. Open it up, lock it off. And it fits in a plastic bag, just a regular bag. So, put that in this bag right here. And drop it in there. Then once I drop that in there, put that over there. Put that over there. Now this whole thing can be wiped down, so don't think just because I have a lot of stuff in bags or something like that, like these are some of the baggies that they came in when purchased. So I was like, hey, they gave me nice bags for those. I might as well keep using them until they, you know, break or something. But don't think just because I'm doing that you'll have to do that. This is very, you know, water friendly. Like you can spill something on this and wipe it off. So it's nothing cloth in there other than the Velcro pieces and stuff like that, as far as the soft side that the Velcro sticks to. So other than that, this is a very nice, you know, water resistant type case. I keep this in here. This is the Woolly Mammoth towel for drying your car off. I just put it in here because this is a little bit more compact than the bag that it come in. But as you can see, it's jam-packed in there, and I had to do a lot of work just to get it in here. So I'm probably not going to keep it in there, or I might order a bigger bag. Not really for sure which one I'm going to do. This is a 1 gallon bag. So if you do have this towel and you're wondering, I think this is the biggest one they sell. But if you do have this towel and you're wondering, will it fit in the plastic bag Ziploc? Not the 1 gallon. So you're going to make sure you get a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, it's a nice case. I like it. There's nothing around the back except for some more clips right here, so you can clip it together when you compress it and make it into one square. I'll insert a picture of what that looks like if I can find one. But yeah, well, to be honest, I'll just show you right now. And this wasn't a review on any of the things I have per se, but just to let you know what I got so you can know what fits in here. So you can be like, oh, I got about the same stuff. I should be cool with that. So like I said, this Velcro piece comes out. So you can lift the floor up and then you can collapse this stuff in. So once you collapse it in, if I didn't have this stuff in here, let me grab that out real quick. Collapse it in, and then you can close it in together. Well, that's unfortunate. Wow. Okay, so basically that was very unfortunate. So you don't close this side in, you close this side in, so then this Velcro piece can come snap into this piece. Or if you want to travel with it, you can connect it all down and compress it. Like when it's brand new, it comes with this connected to that side. So it's closed. But yeah, I just emptied the whole wrong side out for y'all. That's crazy. Hold on. And then it is just lock in. Do the back side, lock in. So as you can see, it's a little chunky over there. Try to fold it a little bit more. But yeah, if you push this up against the side of your trunk, it'll flatten that side out. But there you have it, you got one side. I need more than this, so I'm about to put it back like I had it. Just wanted to show you how it looks. And then you still have the side pocket over there. And then you still have the divider you can put in here. So maybe you need this full thing let out plus one more. Then you could grab two of these and then leave the one square situation. Or you could maybe one day grow into needing a full 4 different sections, and then you'll already have it ready to go. You don't got to keep on buying like one section at a time. So that's cool, at least. Taking this all out for y'all really helped me out because now, you know, a little bit more organized than it was before, so that's good. So yeah, appreciate y'all. Big drying cloth right here. Smaller random microfibers right there. I only use these microfibers when I'm drying the vehicle though, so I don't really do too much cleaning with it. I might like wipe down the interior to get the dust off, but other than that, I don't clean with these. This one, for instance, they'll start getting like stained a little bit, so I'd keep these separate. So that's a good reason to have some of these different baggies or whatever, so you can keep your clean, or the ones that you use for clean stuff versus what you use to like wipe off grime. You can keep them separate. Now that I did that, I got it all reorganized, everything should close flush. So put the back on, nice close. Looks good in your trunk too. And I'm also going to show you exactly how that looks, so don't worry about that. This is how it looks in the back of the trunk. If I wanted to, I could push it to the very far back and then have room all in the front, but then you won't be able to get into what you have that easily. So what I do, I put it from there, I put it on this side, so then it can keep this from falling over. So this is a little win-win situation right there. And this is where I normally have it. Keeps that from falling over. I can grab it when I need it. I can open the lid, grab all the stuff I need out of it, close it back up. It doesn't touch when you close the trunk. Can put stuff in the back over there, can put stuff on the side over here, but this is the best way I can use it. I could even scoot it up some more if I wanted to, but if I want to still be able to grab these, I need to leave a little bit of space right there. And also hopefully the sound quality is cool, because I'm using a windscreen right now, not the foam one, but the fluffy furry one. And I'm using the Rode Video Micro NTG, and I have the settings set to nothing on as far as filters, and I have it to where it's on 10 gain on the microphone. I'm lying, 11 gain on the microphone. And then the mic's volume in the camera is set to 1 notch on. But yeah, if you've already picked this up and you like it, or you're thinking about grabbing it, or you've already grabbed it and it's on the way, let me know down below. I like it so far. It's holding up nice. The arms are nice and strong. I had a decent walk from my trunk to the inside where we was recording earlier, and it felt fine. So I don't see any tears in the cloth or nothing like that. It's awesome. But lots of room in the trunk because I still want to be able to put some things in the trunk, maybe a backpack or this bucket with all this random stuff. And those windshield wiper, that's just boxes of trash I got to throw away. But this is how the trunk usually looks. I have this up here, backpack right there, and then I have the wash bucket right there. I need to get another one so I can do the 2 wash method. Need to throw those away. Just not gonna do it right now. And then I picked this up so to get the roof easier, or just to get the down low spots that I don't want to cruise my back to get. Grab that, haven't used it yet, so hopefully that works out. If this video helped you out or you enjoyed it, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated. It helps out the channel tremendously, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.